Isang very comforting na Filipino dish ay ang chicken pochero. So, isa siyang chicken stew na may tomato sauce at mga vegetables na ang sarap-sarap niya lalo ng tag-lamig. So, lulutuin natin siya ngayon.
Simpol, simpol. Luto na, ha-ha.
Yung chicken pochero ay isang one-pot dish. So, very simple to do. So, meron lang tayong pot of water. Ilalagay natin yung ating chicken pieces. So, hindi na tayo magigisa-gisa. No, very simple. We just put our chicken pieces. Kasi actually, ang pochero means two pot, no? So, it's actually just boiled and everything is put together. So, lalagyan natin ng onion, carrot, lalagay na rin natin yung ating tomato sauce. Konting tomato sauce into the mix. And allow it to simmer. Season lang natin siya ng konting asin. We let it boil. Pagkatapos, dadagdag natin yung iba nating ingredients. So ngayon, kumulo na yung ating chicken. Lalagay na rin natin yung ating patatas and saging saba. Usually, ang pochero, ang original na pochero talaga ay yung beef na may tomato sauce. Pero ito siya, nangyayari a day after ka maglaga ng beef. So, usually, the day after siya nilalaga ng beef, ang tawag talaga sa kanya na original dish is ropa vieja or old women's clothes. Kasi nagiging lasog-lasog na yung karne dahil second cooking na siya. Then, we add a bit of whole peppercorns and laurel leaves. Let it simmer. Cover natin saglit. Let it cook down before we add our last set of ingredients. Now, we add our last set of ingredients. So, medyo malapit na maluto yung ating patatas. Ito, very simple, convenient way to do it. We use canned pork and beans. Then, we add a little bit of siling pangsigang. And then, lalagyan natin ng repolyo, cabbage. Mauna yung cabbage natin. And the stalks of the pechay. Let it simmer down. Then, we just drizzle a bit of patis for flavor. Ang sweetness galing sa pork and beans natin. And kailangan natin i-balance with a bit of patis to make it more savory. Takpan natin. Then last na natin ilalagay yung ating pechay leaves. Yan, luto na yung ating vegetables. Pero lastly, we just put our pechay para hindi siya overcooked. Blanch for a little bit. And tapos na siya. Chicken pochero, simple! Nagustuhan niyo ba ang video na to? Please like, share, subscribe our new Facebook and YouTube account, Simpol.